to Saturday Sips and Tips. I'm Katie Leverett with Hooray, and today we're going to be talking about a tip on how to make just plain old plastic utensils and paper napkins look beautiful for a party. If you are like me, I want to make the party as easy as possible, and washing dishes is nowhere involved in that scenario. So what I like to do is wrap up plastic silverware to where it looks really, really beautiful. Take a look here. It's a quick and easy process that I'm going to show you. So what you do is you take your silverware, your plastic silverware that's going to go straight in the trash. Pick out a solid and a print napkin, okay? So have them coordinate, make sure that they look good together. This is a full-size lunch napkin. Don't use the cocktail napkins, they're too small. So what you will do is you will take the solid color and wrap your utensils. So just do it in a normal kind of wrap where you just wrap it around just like that, nice and easy, and set that kind of to the side. It's probably going to unwrap a little bit. Then what you do is you take your printed napkin, you turn it like a diamond pattern like this, and you're just going to simply fold it like a fan. So you're going to layer it and fold it in little creases about, I don't know, an inch. And you'll do that repetitively over and over again until the napkin is totally folded and it looks like this. So you'll crease it out, make sure it's nice and tight. So it's going to look like that. I'll unfold it for a second so you can see, kind of see the lines. Once you have that folded, you'll take some ribbon. You can use any kind of ribbon that you want. If you want to use like some really pretty silky ribbon, if it's a fancier thing. Today I'm just using plain old packaging ribbon that you can just put on a package and curl, nice and cheap and easy. And so what you'll do is you'll take this rolled up utensil in one hand and take the folded fan like printed napkin and just simply place them together like that. Put that one on top. Take the ribbon, you're going to wrap it around and tie it nice and sturdy so that they don't come apart. I like layering different colors of ribbon. So here I have a red and a yellow ribbon. I just think it looks pretty with the napkins. So choose whatever kind of ribbon is going to look best with your look. You can tie it in just a couple of knots. And so it turns out looking something like this, where it's kind of flat and boring. All you need to do on that top printed napkin is pull it apart and kind of fluff it up a little bit. So here's the bottom piece. What I do is I pull it apart and fluff it up. Just stick your hands under there, make it all nice and puffy, and then take your scissors and curl that ribbon just to make it look a little bit more festive. And ta-da! There you have a beautiful wrapped plastic utensil. Your guests are going to have 2 napkins, which is always nice at a party to have. And they'll simply say, wow, you did such an amazing job. You can layer them in a little container so that they are part of your decor as well, because they're going to be nice and beautiful. One thing I do like to add in the bottom of my basket are these little curly things. They're like little strips of crinkle shreds is what they're called. They're just in the packaging section. I get mine at the dollar store, so they're nice and cheap, and they kind of fill up the basket because you want your utensils to kind of stand up so that everybody can see how beautiful they are and how hard you worked. So I hope you enjoyed today's Saturday Sips and Tips. And I look forward to seeing you guys, and I hope you go out and try this for your next event. Have a great day. Thanks.